Now available at McCarthy Cars is 62-inch Audi A4 TDI turbo diesel. The vehicle is in metallic grey finish with a 18-inch Audi alloy wheels. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Split folding rear seats. It's got front forks as well. The interior of the vehicle is a velour with 5 headrests. It comes with ISOFIX child seat preparation, a rear center armrest, and for your safety comes with front and side airbags. Here we've got the electric windows and mirrors. The auto headlights. It's got a push button to start. Power steering wheel. A multifunctional steering wheel with the voice commands on the right hand side. A cruise control. Obviously it's got a traction control, start and stop function, automatic transmission, a center armrest, it's adjustable, some storage under it, and the 12 volts power outlet. It's got some cup holders in the middle as well. Air conditioning with a dual climate control. Satellite navigation. FM radio and a CD player. It's got Audi multimedia, by the way, which means the SD cards. And then if you go to the media, there we got the SD cards, DVD CD-ROM, so basically you can watch DVD movies on the screen as well. Got a CD changer in the glove box and a Audi media interface, which allows you to plug aux-in cable or USB cable. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. Rear dimming mirror. This was the quick overview of the 62-inch Audi A4 turbo diesel. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.